Hi, meet me. I am new Barbie Signature Pink Collection doll. Barbie Pink Collection is a bold celebration of Barbie and a tribute to her iconic signature color of pink. I am with Silkstone Body wearing tulle gown featuring a silkstone body. I am the first doll in the series wears a breathtaking off the shoulder high-low gown with bow accents. Ruffled layers of cascading tulle flow into a dramatic train that makes a stunning 360-degree statement. Bow-kissed sandals, elegant drop earrings and a glam high ponytail complete Barbie doll's striking silhouette. Doll is released January 25, 2021. Hi, I am the Barbie Signature Pink Collection doll. I am the second doll in this series. I am celebrating the signature color of our beloved Barbie doll. I am revels in ruffles, exquisite in an asymmetrical look featuring a double-tiered, ruffle satin gown. The rushed bodice is cinched with a brooch and sparkles with silvery micro-sequin details. My dazzling drop earrings complement her side-swept hairstyle, and silver glitter stiletto heels and opera-length gloves are elegant finishing touches. Barbie Signature Pink Collection 2 doll November 17, 2021. Hi, meet me. I am the third doll in Barbie Signature Pink Collection series. My golden blonde hair, brown eyes and my outfit is all about ruffles. There are cute ruffle elements even on her stylish pink shoes. Barbie Signature Pink Collection Series 3 doll released on March 9, 2022. Hi, meet me. I am the fourth Barbie Signature Pink Collection doll, released in September 28, 2022. Pink is Barbie's signature color, and to show how versatile that color can be. My high-low taffeta gown, and a rushed strapless bodice to showcase the over-the-top boots. Hi, I am latest Barbie Pink Collection doll. It is a stunning showpiece. My all-pink gown and skirt, paired with the golden sparkling top, make heads turn. This series showcases Barbie doll's signature color in elegant new designs. The Pink Collection serves pure pink glamour.
Hi, I am Carlisle Noura. I am taking over for the fifth round of the Gold Label Collection as Barbie's signature lead product designer. I think the standout piece is definitely the corset, perfectly formed to the body with lots of open spaces to feel delicate. Pink has always been Barbie's favorite color.
This line is a study in Barbie doll's signature color, pink, but shown through a lens of on-trend and modern fashion. All will be revealed in a few short days, but be ready for this doll to go on sale on December 6 at 9 a.m. Pacific Time.